Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, customizing your Quick Access Toolbar and ribbon. To customize your Quick Access Toolbar, simply click right on the button you wish to add and select the option Add to Quick Access Toolbar. It now appears here at the top. To remove a button from your toolbar, click right and choose the option Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. If you wish to customize the ribbon, click right on any of the toolbar symbols and choose the option Customize the ribbon. Here's an example. Let's create a new group under the Quick Access tab and add some useful elements to it, like Run QA and Antidote. When you're done, click OK. Both buttons now show in my Equality section of the Quick Access Ribbon tab. If you wish to restore the interface defaults, right-click on any of the toolbar symbols and choose the option Customize the ribbon. At the bottom of the window, click on Restore Defaults. Thanks for watching.